Hey everyone, it's HelpfulLockPicker. Welcome to another video. So today I would like to attempt this challenge lock here. This is Every Lock is a Challenge by the HelpfulLockPicker. So I received this in a bucket of challenge locks that I got from Josh Butler, who was kind enough to send them off to me. Now, I have actually picked every lock in that bucket off camera. It was super fun, except for this one. I figured it would be appropriate to leave the one from HelpfulLockPicker unpicked until I could actually attempt it on camera. Anyway, so let's give this one a go. Really excited to see what's in store in this lock. So it works just fine both ways. We'll hide that key. I did already select my tools ahead of time. I've got a top of the keyway bar from Sparrows as well as my trusty go-to pick. Okay, so number one is loose. Needs to be a little bit tighter. Might be a little bit of binding on 2. Okay, I think I got a bit of a click on him. Got a couple minor clicks on 3. Number 4 feels springy. Definitely got a click on 5, and I think there was a bit of core rotation along with it. Pick snagged on something on the way back. I think that's pin 2. I definitely got a click on that. I don't know if I'm getting counter rotation or if it just wants to overset. Number 1 is definitely binding. I got a good click. I think I'll leave him alone. Got another click on 2, I think that is. Feels like it's giving me counter rotation. Got another click. So 3 felt like it was set, I think. I think number 4 gave me some counter rotation. It did, and it gave me another click. I think I'm getting counter rotation on 5 as well. Okay, not sure what happened there. Got another click. I think that was 3. Let's see. Oh, got another click on 1. Let's see, how high does number 1 want to go? I think that's it there. I think he's set. Alright, what do we have left? All the pins kind of feel like they are set. Oh, I think that's some counter rotation on 4. But I might have overset something. Yep, I'm dropping pins now, trying to get counter rotation. Okay, that was number 1 again. Okay, I felt like number 2 was giving me counter rotation, but I feel like I just overset it. Got some clicks on 3. I'm not sure if I'm overset. I'm going to try releasing some tension. Okay, yeah, something fell back down. I definitely had something overset. Okay, got some binding on, I think, 4. I think that gave me some core rotation. Another click. I think that was either 4 or 5. That was, I think, 3. Got a good click on 2. And got a click on 1. Another click on 1. Oh! Another click on 1. Thank God this core isn't sprung, or I would have just lost it there. Alright, that was definitely a challenge. Whoop! There she goes. Still picked, don't worry. Alright, let's get out my awesome pinning tray here and figure out how to take this thing apart. Looks like we just have a standard circlip on there. Should move my camera back. That might help. Alright. Okay, got that C-clip off. So just a little actuator back there. And I think I'm going to have to turn to the trusty pen lid again for this one. I have a 3D printer and I still haven't made followers yet. I need to do that. We will of course shim this lock, because you never know what's inside. Okay, 5-pinner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, that one went into the wrong slot. I believe that was this one. I'll confirm with the key afterwards. Speaking of which, I should probably show that key. There it is. So yeah, a couple low cuts in the front and high cuts in the back. Very decent bitting. Not too difficult, but still a good challenge. And oh crud. I'm pretty sure this was the front side. Yeah, because I had the thick end. I went through like that. Make sure I don't mess that up. Okay, we got a beautiful serrated pin in number 1. Another either similar or identical pin in slot 2. Got a good spool in number 3. Another spool in 5. And a spool in 4. I'll dump all these springs out one by one, just in case he put different springs in each chamber. So far it's just looking like copper springs in all of them. Yep. Spring in number 2 looks like it's a little squashed, but whatever. So like usual, I will flash some pictures up on screen to give you a better close-up view of the pins. Nothing too crazy going on with this lock. It's pretty gentle as far as challenge locks go, I suppose. Just serrated pins, or serrated driver pins in slots 1 and 2, and just standard looking spools in 3, 4, and 5. Doesn't look like there was any modifications to the key pins at all. I don't think there could be any modifications to the housing at all, since there's no holes on the bottom of it, and the core looks unmodified. Yep, no undercuts, no serrations, no nothing. Still a very well put together lock. It was very fun to pick. Helpful Lockpicker has been an amazing member of the community, and if you're not already subscribed to him, please go to his channel and subscribe. He does an awesome community lock sport update every Saturday, and he does it in like a premiere, so there's a chat in the side. It's super fun. I try to go whenever I can. Anyway, that is about all I have for you on this awesome challenge lock. Of course, I'll get this back together off camera. And yeah, that's about it. So if you liked what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And don't forget to have a good one.